you going? Brian Green, and this is my 1957 Chevy Bel Air.
Tell us something about it, Brian.
Well, I've owned it for roughly nearly 20 years now. Built it twice. The original car that I bought was it's from Bendigo, and it came into the country from South Africa, and it was only in the country for about 1 or 2 months. And then,
original right-hand drive?
Yeah, that's why it is original right-hand drive, and it's got the 55/6 double hump dash in it. So straight from South Africa.
So that's something South Africans do with the dash? They come with that dash in South
Well,
Africa?
it's the same. It just made it easier for them to transfer from left to right-hand side, because the dash on the Californian 57 is a lot different to this one. Pretty much bought it off the truck. It got trucked to the bottom of Mount Ousley and then drove it home, but that was the only drive it actually got, and then totally stripped it all apart and started the build on the car. It was all mocked in, all rough, not painted.
What was the plan? What was it originally?
Well, originally it just had a 265 Chevy motor. It was really small, and it had a Trimatic in it type thing. It was nothing special, but it drove, and I got it home, and then just started to pull it apart and source all the new parts, motor, gearbox, all the driveline, suspension, and
So what's in it?
it's running a ZZ 502, so 8.2 litre, with a turbo 400 stage 2 shift, 3000 stall, 4-inch tail shaft, with running a 3.89 Detroit lock Ford 9-inch in the back. All the brakes have been upgraded. I'm just running 330mm rotors on the front, HSV calipers, and on the back's 315s with Camaro calipers on the back. Everything inside it is custom made or one-off, pretty much. The paint colours were painted by a good mate of mine, Tony Roberts. It took me 9 years for him to get him to start his own workshop, and this was 0001 out of the workshop. First car out of Tony's for a full strip down. So I totally stripped it down. We got to work and it went straight back to 2 rails. So all the underneath, all the drive lines, semi-gloss or satin black. The custom colours that we came up with was derived from a champagne colour, but we just added 2 tones of black to each one, and it's now Magic Mushroom on the base, and all the underside of the car is the same, and then the actual roof's 2 tones darker, and it's called Mad Mocha.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all on myself.
Okay, tell us about the engine, Brian. What have we got under here?
So this is a crate engine from the States, ZZ502. It's running an 870 Holly. It's all full roller. It's got the billet specialty serpentine system on the front, so reverse rotation water pump. It's running the large extractors, powder coated, twin 14-inch thermos on the back, try and keep it cool. Yeah, just the only thing I had to do really was change the sump from when you bought it in a crate motor. It had like a 9-quart sump. I had to change it to a 6-quart so it would fit. So I had to pull the bottom end apart before I put it in. But yeah, so.
What are these? What are these numbers I can see down there?
Okay, well the one on the right here is 0001. That's actually Tony Roberts' signature.
Yeah.
So that's Tony Roberts,
the guy
that painted the car. Yeah. And then on the other side is that's Charlie Hutton.
This one over here.
He was at the Summernats in 2018 or 2017. I think it was Summernats number 30. The car made the Elite Hall top 60, and Charlie Hutton loved the paint so much that he came over and he wanted to sign the radiator apron there. So this paint is actually a Sikkens brand. And at that time, Charlie Hutton was promoting PPG.
Okay. So nothing brand aligned, eh? He still loved it.
No, that's right. He just thought there was the quality and the craftsmanship in the paint job was next to none.
And it is, it shows.